Hi, this is Nellie Deutsch. As promised, I'm going to show you a bit more about the authentication system that I use, the services. They are Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. So I'm going to write the authentication system, which is authentication 2. Going to scroll down until I get to services. The reason I'm doing this, and I'll explain as I go, let me scroll down. You have to go to the services, which is only down at the very bottom. So make sure that's where you go to do this. And then here I am. And here we are. All right. So notice what's here. I've got Microsoft, Facebook, and Google. Now, I noticed that I did authenticate with this, but I wasn't admin. Now, this is really important. You'll get notifications from Microsoft if you don't authenticate using your admin Microsoft account. I know this sounds kind of crazy. It doesn't happen on all Moodle sites. I have a few, but it does happen on this one. The way you authenticate is you simply go to this arrow pointing right. So let's do that. Click on it. Confirm, click on that. Wait a few seconds. If everything goes well, and I know it has in the past, but who knows when you upgrade. There, the system account is now connected for offline access. Oh, that's nice. With Facebook, notice it does not authenticate for offline because it doesn't need to. And that's it. Hope this has been of help and you're able to add authentication services to your Moodle site. Just to show you what they look like, I'm going to go into the login and show you. There's Google, Facebook, and Microsoft authentication systems. You can have others too. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.